Welcome back to AutoMobilityStore.com's YouTube channel. Presenting this beautiful 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. This conversion van features a BraunAbility in-floor automatic ramp and kneeling system. With only a little over 66,000 miles, this van features a 3.6-liter V6 engine. Now let's go ahead and take it on a test drive. Call AutoMobility Store today for your no-obligation test drive and ask us about our nationwide vehicle shipping and delivery services.